Hello everyone, so welcome back to my training program. Today we're gonna learn something very new and interesting. It's called loop. So as we mentioned in the previous lecture, we have a two kind of control flow. The first one is ranging. So we already learned if else, and if else, else and else. So, and today we're gonna learn the second control flow, which is called loop. And we have a two kind of loop. The first one is while loop, and the second one is for loop. So today we're gonna cover this topic, while loop. So what is a loop? So to implement a loop in Python, we need a keyword while here. So it is a keyword of Python. We should write out exactly. The second one is a condition, similar what we have in the if statement. Condition actually a conditional expression. And then we have a block of code. Similar to the if statement, but the most important thing you need to remember, that is the way that a while loop works. For example, in here we have a condition. If this condition is true, so we're gonna jump in this block of code and we do all the tasks we have inside the block. And then after we finish, we do not exit. We just get back to the condition again and check if this condition is still correct, is still true. We're gonna repeat exactly the same what we have done before one more time. Let's summarize the while loop fundamental knowledge here. The first one is condition. Yeah, like I said, it's a boolean value or conditional expression. And then if this condition is true, we're gonna do on step inside the block. Yes, in here. And after we finish, we're gonna get back to check this condition one more time. And if this condition is still correct, we're gonna repeat the work repeat the block one more time. And then after we finish, we get back again, check condition, and the process will repeat until this condition is false. Okay, let's go through some example to understand deeply. For example, here I have a variable n, and my condition is n smaller than 5. This is the block of code. We're gonna read out the value of n, and we increase the value of n by once. You can see here. So we how many steps we need to follow in this program? We can say in the step 1, n equal to 0, and we're gonna read now 0, 0, of course, and then we're gonna increase the value of n by 1, so n plus 1, so n equal to number 1. So we get back to this condition, and we can see that number 1 is still smaller than number 5. So in here, in the second step, we have a n equal to 1. So we're gonna read out number 1 here, and we increase the value of n by 1. So n equal to 2. Move on. We're gonna get back to this condition and check this condition one more time. Number 2 is still smaller than number 5. So in here we number 2, and we're gonna repeat this process one more time. Read out the value of n and increase the value of n by 1, so we have a number 3. So go to the next step. We have n equal to number 3. Number 3 is still smaller than number 5, of course. And then we read out number 3 by this statement and increase n by 1. So we have a number 4. Next, in the next step, n equal to number 4, still smaller than 5. So we're gonna repeat this step one more time. So we read now the value of n is 4, and we increase the n by 1, so we have n equal to number 5. So that's it here. You can see that when n equal to number 5, we get back to this condition and we check it, but n now is not smaller than 5 anymore. So this condition is false now. Okay, so we're gonna stop the loop here. Okay, so that's it for this example. The most interesting is instead of fully write out this expression, you can have a shorter one in here. They are exactly the same. Okay, but it's shorter, so it has more convenience when we follow this way. Okay, this is enough for the while loop, and hope to see you in the next lecture. Bye.